Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ikra English School. I hope you all must be fine. This is your class second science book, Science Quest. And today we are going to read the unit number 1, Word of Plants. So, in the unit 1, we will read about the plants, about the parts of a plant, about the different type of plants. That is why the unit first name is Word of Plants. So this is our first chapter, that's name is Plants Around Us. Let's read the chapter. In this chapter we will learn about the types of plant and parts of plant, and try to answer which part of the plant is liked the most by butterflies and why. So we can answer that the butterfly like the flower part of a plant because the butterflies suck the nectar and the flower has nectar. That is why the butterflies suck the nectar from the flower and they like the flower part of a plant. You know that some plants are used as herb and medicinal plants. That is why if there is anyone is suffering from cold, then he is to chew some tulsi leaf and then he will feel better. That is why it is here a boy, he is sneezing and the girl is giving him some leaf of tulsi and she is telling that chew some tulsi leaf, you will feel better. Means the tulsi plant has medicinal properties. That is why it is good to chew some tulsi leaf during cold. Let's read the chapter. There are different types of plants around us. Some of them are big and some are small. Some plants are very strong while some are weak. They are of different shapes and size. It is said that there are so many different types of plants around us. Some plants are very big, some plants are very small, some plants are very strong, some plants are very weak, and then in this way there are so many different types of plants and the plants are also different in shapes and size too. So here we will read about the types of plants. Some plants grow on land and some in some in water. We will read here how many plants grow on land and how many plants grow in water. Which plant grow in water and which plant grow on land. Plant which grow on land, that are trees. First is trees. Plant which are big and strong are trees. The plant which are big and strong are called trees. Trees can live for many years. They have a thick, hard and woody stem called trunk. Tree trunk has a thick brown covering called bark. Trees have many branches. Coconut, gulmohar and pine trees are some example of trees. So these are trees. The trees are very big and strong and that is why it can live for long. And these are so much thick, hard and their stems are woody. And the type of how many type of trees are plant are called trees such as coconut, gulmohar and pine trees are some example of trees. These are the tree of coconut, tree of gulmohar and this is the tree of pine. Then the second type of plant is called shrub. Small plants with a hard and thin stem are called shrub. They are bushy and smaller than trees. Shrubs live for several years. Marigold, sunflower and cotton plants are some examples of shrubs. So shrubs are the plant that have with hard and thin stem, and these type of plants are called shrub. These are not as stronger as trees, but these are also hard and these plants are also hard and strong. They are bushy and smaller than trees. They are very bushy and smaller than trees, and shrub can also live for several years, like marigold, sunflower, and cotton. The third type of plant is herb. The very small plants with a soft and weak stem are called herbs. Herbs live for a few months. Tulsi, mint, and coriander are some examples of herbs. The herbs are very small plants and their stem are very soft and weak. That is why they live only for few months. Tulsi, mint, and coriander is a is an example of herbs. Creepers, plants that cannot stand on their own and grow along the ground, are called creepers. They cannot grow upright due to weak stem. Pumpkin, watermelon, and buttergourd are some examples of creeper. Creepers are another type of a plant. They cannot stand on their own because their stem is very weak, and that is why they cannot grow upside. And the examples of the creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, bottle gourd. Now we will read about the climbers. The plant which cannot stand on their own and climb up with support are called climbers. They have a weak stem. They need support of stick, walls, and other plants to grow. Pea, pea, grapevine, and bottle gourd are some example of climbers. Climbers are also the stem of climber are also weak, but it can stand with a support. It can stand with the support of a stick, walls, and other plants to grow. It can stand with a support. Without support, they cannot stand. The pea plant, the grapevine, and the bottle gourd is an example of climber. Now we will read about the plant which grow in water. Some plants grow in water. They are called aquatic plants. Lotus, hydrilla, and water lily are some example of aquatic plants. So these plants grow in water. That is why they are called the aquatic plant. Now we will read about the parts of a plant. How many parts of a plant? Let's read. A plant has many parts and each plant is important. So first of all we will read about the root. That is very important part of a plant. This is a root. It holds the plant at one place in the soil. It takes water and nutrients from the soil. The root part of a plant is very important because the root uh, uh, hold the plant in the soil at one place. After that, this is a stem. It carries water and nutrients to different part of a plant. This is a stem. This part of a plant is called a stem, and the stem carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plant. After that, there is leaf. This is a leaf. It makes food for the plant. Most plant have green leaves. The leaf make food for the plant. That is why it is also called the kitchen of the plant. Then this is bud. This is a bud. It grows into a flower. Then flower. This is a flower. It grows into a fruit. And at last, the last part of a plant is this is a fruit. It is a soft and fleshy part of the plant. It contains seeds. So these were the parts of a plant. Plant makes their own food. The leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. They use air, water, sunlight, and nutrients to make food for the plants. Now we will read the mind map. For recap the chapter's name is Plants Around Us, and there are two types of plants. Sorry, there are this is divided. The plants are divided into two parts. First, the types of the plant, and second, the parts of a plant. Here, first of all, we will read about the types of a plant. The plant, the first part of a plant, the first type of a plant is tree. The second is shrub. Tree, the trees are big and strong and have woody stem. And this is the second type of a plant is shrub. Shrub are small plant and have hard stem. The third type of a plant is herb. The herb are small plants and have weak stem. Then we will read about the creeper. The creeper grow on ground and have weak stem. Then the climber grow with support and have weak stem. Then this is a parts of a plant. First of all, we will read about the root. Hold the plant in the soil. The root hold the plant in the soil. The stem carry water and nutrients. The fruits contain seed. The buds grow into flower, the leaves make food for the plant, and the flowers grow into fruit. So, dear student, this was the complete explanation of the chapter. The chapter name is Plants Around Us. So, in this chapter, we knew many different things about the type of a plants and the parts of a plant. I hope that you like and understand the chapter. Read the chapter very carefully. Try to read properly the chapter and listen the explanation, and whatever I will give you about the question answers and the objective questions, so write in your notebook neat and clean. We will meet in the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day.